pleasant good morning. Lady Allen says she felt like a kid. If I sound like a kid this morning, please forgive me because I'm so excited. The most Honorable Lady Allen, Mr. Donald Parkinson, Regional Director for Sarah, Mrs. Claudette Lewis, our Parish Manager for Kingston and St. Andrew Health Services, our hard-working Mr. Anthony Wood, CEO of Bustamante Hospital for Children, Mrs. Patricia Ingram Martin, Matron for the Bustamante Hospital for Children, our CEO of Bank of Nova Scotia, and our Master of Ceremony this morning, Mr. Bruce Bowen. We welcome you and Mrs. Bowen here this morning. We also welcome Mrs. Matalan, Christina Matalan, a representative from Kingston Bookshop, representative from Line, and all the other sponsors who have played such an important role in where we're here this morning. Members of the management team of Bank of Nova Scotia, members of the media this morning, a very pleasant good morning to you all. I greet you all and greet you well. I am extremely pleased to be here this morning, and not because I want to feel like a kid or sound like a kid. I need my glasses. For the official handing over of the Learning and Activities Center, which has been so graciously refurbished by the Bank of Nova Scotia and its other sponsors. It is my view that the Learning and Activities Center is a vital component of the services that we offer to our patients at this facility. When children are hospitalized for extended periods, many times falling behind in schoolwork is a major concern for both their families and for our young patients. The existence of an education program gives each child a familiar and reassuring routine in, as you can appreciate, unfamiliar setting. The Learning and Activities Center provides the opportunity for the children to continue with everyday learning activities, which undoubtedly will aid in a child's positive adjustment to being hospitalized, as well as their attitude towards and acceptance of their treatment while at the hospital. Through the efforts of the Friends of Bustamante Hospital, the Learning and Activities Center was fully established in 1991. The present location was refurbished by the Peace Corps volunteers at that time. The center has since been fully accredited by the Ministry of Education as an early childhood education center and is currently staffed by certified early childhood teachers. All except our neonatal patients benefit from the center. In fact, there have even been instances where some patients have received their entire early childhood education right here at this center. Over the years, the center has continued to receive dedicated support from the Friends of the Hospital, as well as other volunteers such as our own Lady Allen, who visits the hospitals each week to read to our young patients, along with Mrs. Bowen, who sometimes doesn't miss a beat to be here. Lady Allen and Mrs. Bowen must be commended for their pioneering the collaborative effort with the Bank of Nova Scotia to have this center brought to this level of excellence. Please give Lady Allen a round of applause. Bustamante Hospital for Children has the distinction of being the only English-speaking children's hospital in Jamaica and the English-speaking Caribbean. The hospital with a bed capacity of 283 caters to patients from birth to 12 years, not only for children in Jamaica, but for the wider Caribbean, and sees approximately 77,000 patients annually. Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a momentous occasion, which we all have been waiting for, and I'm indeed elated this morning to join forces with the Bank of Nova Scotia in collaboration with all the other sponsors in reopening this learning center that has been truly transformed into an era of magnificent beauty, functional comfort, and the required tools to support effective learning for our young patients. This philanthropic initiative by the Bank of Nova Scotia, Line Restaurant of Jamaica, Kingston Bookshop, not only speaks volumes to their social responsibility as one of our corporate sponsors, but signifies Scotiabank and our partners' appreciation of the work we do at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, not only to provide quality health care for young patients, but to ensure they keep up to their schoolwork as best as possible. Please let us give Mr. Bruce Bowen, his management team from Bank of Nova Scotia, and along with Line Restaurants of Jamaica, Kingston Bookshop, a big round of applause. Let me also take the opportunity to thank the management and staff of Bustamante Hospital, led by our hard-working CEO, Mr. Anthony Wood, for their display of creativity, tolerance, and management skills to create alternate accommodation for the children while maintaining their level of comfort and care in order to facilitate the refurbishment of the center. Let me also commend the management team for the tremendous work they have undertaken to give the hospital such an impressive facelift for the benefit of our patients, their families, and our staff, and completed just in time to welcome the visit of young Prince Henry of Wales to our campus. Please give them all a big round of applause. Sarah will continue to work towards realizing the vision of transforming Bustamante Hospital for Children into a world-class provider of pediatric services. And we feel privileged this morning that we can count on the support of corporate Jamaica and international organizations. Through their support and partnership, we have been empowered to make Bustamante Hospital a better place for the nation's children and to achieve our vision. Thank you this morning.